Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting a custom photo watch face for your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Hold down on your current watch face and then swipe from right to left through the watch face options until you get to this watch face with a photo of a cat on it. Tap the watch face to select it. When that watch face is your new watch face, hold down on it and then tap Customize. Allow the permission by tapping Allow. Then tap on the plus image icon in the middle of the screen. Tap Add Photo. You can now choose from one of the photos that you have downloaded to your watch. Tap a photo to select it, and then tap OK. Tap OK several more times. Your watch face will now be your custom photo you chose. If you don't have any photos downloaded to your watch, you can follow my tutorial on downloading photos to your watch, or you can also add a custom photo watch face from your phone. To add a custom photo watch face from your phone, open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Watch Faces. Now scroll through the top line of watch faces until you find the one called My Photo Plus. If you haven't added a photo watch face before, it will have the image of a cat. Tap the watch face to select it. Then tap Customize at the top. Tap Background. You can choose Camera to take a photo to use, or tap Gallery to use a photo that you already have in your gallery. Choose your photo and then tap Done. You can make some edits to your photo if you like, such as changing the brightness, and then tap Done. Your photo will upload to your watch. You can change the clock type and the different complications here. Tap Save when you are happy with your new watch face. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.